Hi, I'm Steve Hill. I'm down at Create Center for the Arts. I'm going to teach you how to crochet. Today's project is this beanie wig combo. For this project, you'll need yarn, a crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. I usually use number 4 yarn, and if you're a beginner, use light yarn so you can see what you're doing. Step 1 is a slip knot. First thing you do is tie a regular old knot. But you want to tie a slip knot so you don't pull that end through. You keep it there and you pull this part of the yarn through and it looks like that. Then you take your number 4.5 crochet hook and you put it in the loop and hold the small end and pull it tight on the big part of the hook down at the base. Next, I'll show you how to hold the yarn with your left hand so that you have tension on the yarn. And then you, with your thumb and your second finger, you grab that part of the work. And then you have your tension here. Now you want to yarn over with your hook. I'm going to do this very slowly. You go around, you hook the yarn, and you turn the hook so that it catches, and then you pull it through. You slide it through that first loop like that. Now you need the tension to be able to do that. You want to keep your hands relaxed because what you're going to do is just keep doing that. This is your chain stitch, your basic chain stitch. And if you do it right, it just slips through real easy. Because if you make the loops too tight, the hook won't slip through. When you can do 3 or 2, then you move your fingers up and you re-grab the yarn behind that first loop where you're working, and then you just continue. If you can only do 1 at a time, then move after each one. But after you do this for a while, you will get so that you can do 2 at a time and 3 at a time. And if you're keeping your touch light and your hand relaxed, see, there's where you need the tension. You pull it back, and if you can get out that many, like 3 or 4, that's when you know you're doing it right. You're making a nice chain. For my wig, I did 80 chain rows, and you can do as many as you want, and don't worry about what they look like, because after you do 80 of them, you'll know how to do it. Next time, I'm going to show you how to make this part of the wig, the band that you attach the hair part to. But that's the next lesson. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve down at Create Center for the Arts. Hope to see you next time.